Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to hard reset your YIYEBFU MD026 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. You might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If they will not connect to Bluetooth, or they will not pair with your device, or if they will not sync with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or they keep disconnecting, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step. The other reason is if you want to just delete all of the pairing history so that you can start fresh with a new device, this will work as well. All you need to do is take your earbuds out of, well, actually before you do that, go ahead to whatever device you've had them paired on in the past, disconnect them and delete these earbuds. Then go ahead and take your earbuds out of the case, and on each earbud, you can do this one at a time, double tap the earbud. This will put it into pairing mode and the light will start to blink. Once that happens, you want to do a 5 times tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at which point the earbud will turn off. You can do it with the other earbud as well, and they will both be reset to factory default settings.